These are the elevators at the Courtyard by Marriott in downtown Tampa, Florida. They're Otis Series 1. Let's go up to 6. We're at 6. Quick look at a hallway. Let's ring the bell. The lantern doesn't light up, but it still dings. We're gonna go 1. Here's your inspection certificate. And your emergency phone from ThyssenKrupp Elevator. Here's your cab view. £2,500 capacity. Sounds like the other elevator was riding down alongside with us. Let's go 6. We're at 6. Let's go down to 1. Again, here's your inspection certificate. And a different phone. It says Viking on it. Interesting. Again, £2,500 capacity. And that'll be it.